Looking for ways to visualize Jira data in Power BI? Our top-rated app, Power BI Jira Connector, is a powerful yet simple solution that brings Jira data into Power BI for real-time reporting and analytics that teams across your organization can use. BI developers will love the quick and easy app setup, along with the ability to create unlimited data sets using JQL statements. Security permissions can also be configured during setup or any time afterward. Once your Jira instance is connected to Power BI, the opportunities are endless. Visualize any of your Jira issue data as real-time reports, charts, and dashboards for powerful insights. Another handy feature is the ability to schedule refreshes, so you're always viewing data in real time. Plus, you can merge Jira issue data with compatible software like Excel, SharePoint, and other databases, as well as integrate with Tempo timesheets. So how do teams use Jira data in Power BI? Here are just a few examples. Sprint and time tracking, tracking project data, financial reporting, and merging multiple data sources. Give this dynamic app a try so your team can integrate Jira data into your reporting and analytics and begin gaining key business insights today. Start your free trial of Power BI Jira Connector on the Atlassian Marketplace.